Categories of news. So we know about definition. At editorial can be best understood by the comparing others generalist and forms and describing the function it serve. Then we have state news stories report the fact without embellishment and conclusion. Interpretive reports explain the news in term and effect heading. Much more in-depth coverage and analysis. Features that provide human interact information, and then editorial often opinions and views that event and other effect on the peoples. And then got types. So whatever the definition, editorial usually serve one and three function. They are the inform, many editorial and informatives. Then influence, the editorial tries either the convert the reader writer viewpoint and issue. Then we have entertain, editorial can provide insight, colorful and sometimes humorous commentary. Okay, so everyone can entertain with that. Then we have a fact and objective for reporting. So about viewpoint, and editorial generally focus on the writer to take the side. Still the writer must remain objective to the degree that the all side of the is represented in the editorial. The key and the objectively is research. The editorial writer should arrive at the subjective viewpoint through objective research. Okay, writing an editorial and opinion statement is easy. However, writing an opinion that will sway other require through research on the editorial of subject. Okay, compile as much as information as possible before writing the additional. Read books, magazine and newspaper article about the topics. And when interview people also, a lot of research have done. You will know that a good part of the point of the view, and the bad part you should anticipate what the opponent and the point of view say, and address those areas in the editorial. Objectivity, avoid reference like I think, we feel, as I see, and editorial. These words indicate the additional in the opinion of one writer, and its conclusion are not based on research. Remember, the editorial is written to support command and objective. It should be anonymous and reflect the views of the command. When you express opinion, be sure your logic is correct. Conclusion must be drawn from the stated fact. Your additional effectiveness depend on your reasoned argument. Include all side of the topic to make all it's incredible. Sometime it will be like having an argument with yourself. You find you lose the argument. So good to select the different topic. And then facts, avoid topics on which you have a strong news views unless you are sure you can present unbiased appraisal of the issue. Identify the example of source fully. Remember that full reader may not have the same background you do and may not know the same people or reference. However, too many reference may bog down the readers. Whole editorial opinion piece must be based on the fact. Those facts should be easily identified. If you use a fact that are not common knowledge, base your attribute your information. Now we have editorial content, impartiality. Sometimes it is not possible to provide balanced impartiality in a single item. It might be then a story is so one-sided that is try to often balance and impartially make a mercy and report. Personal views offering one side story can often the fresh understanding issue encourage debate. This is especially true when the contribution evidence understanding the perspective of the audience. In seeking impartiality, we must never assume that academic journalists and other contributed brought in the provide balance that provide by commented themselves impartially must be adequate appropriate. It is not necessary to represent every argument or every occasion on the offer or equal division of time for each view. Then we have a title and headline. So basically title and serve as a headline for your editorial. The title should attract reader attention. It can also indicate the subject of editorial, and the title can be constructed in normal subject based object form like other headline. Unlike news headline, it may also be labeled one without a verb, and some editorial title do not indicate the subject but tease the reader into reading editorial. Learn more about its title type. Label and descriptive. Simple phrase title giving the subject on an article. 3 striking quiet periodically literary allusions, alternations, questions, and direct address. Talk directly to the reader. Okay. Component of editorial writing. So first is the lead indicates to come in the body to editorial. The editorial lead is not limited in one sentence, it may consist of more than one paragraph. Unlike the news lead, the editorial not have the summarize the article and include important 5 WH and S tone editorial and set by the lead. You can build a lead for the editorial around any of the title types that help explain to or introduce your point of view. The lead should entice the reader, much like feature lead to lead are the usually written after the outline for the body of the story is developed. By knowing how to editorial build structure, you can design a lead that more effectively grab or pull the reader into the body. The body is the meat of editorial. It contains the support for your position. The reason the reader should agree with the editorial are the content in the body. The body is an editorial represent the largest amount of information. Unlike straight news writing, important fact, first significant detail, descending order, writing of a sentence, article of the body. Don't what not to do. Don't trick to reader to starting with a joke and ending to with a call of action. Don't pose a problem without offering some kind of solution. Don't attempt to change a reader point of view, and don't put forward poorly researched ideas or policies. Don't put forward badly organized matter. The editorial conclusion can be any combination of the three types. It additional written, and the conclusion wrap up the action in editorial written of the inform perspective and tie back on the main theme or issue. The entertainment editorial conclusion might offer the humorous or insightful aspect. Save just that purpose. You will learn from experience how to match a conclusion with additional type. This conclusion type most commonly used in editorial are the call for actions and ask the reader to something, not to something expression like in your opinion. Ethics and transparency. So conflict of interest, there are the must have the any suggestion to personal, commercial, business, financial, other interest, typical conflict interest for journalists include writing for another news organization, public speaking and public appearance, media, public relation training, connection to charities, connection to campaigning organization, hospitality and personal benefit, rules of interest. So there may be become some situations where a producer or of lifestyle programs is offered facilities to sample so that they can report on them. In such cases, the following rules should apply. Keep accurate department record. Never guarantee any product and service will feature. Always inform apply supplies that they cannot refer to a news organization. Only give on air, online or point credit if clearly it is justified. Never offer supplies any editorial influence the program. Do not give up a preview of item program. Transparency. Contributors sometimes try to impose condition before agreeing the take part interview. You must retain editorial control and not enter into the agreement that stop you asking the question your audience would expect you to pose. It's unlikely that it would ever the appropriate to broadcast or public an interview in which the contributor set out what he she prepared for interview about. However, if such a case arises, it must be made clear to audience the condition set to obtain the interviews. The legal issues. So the contributor must told the you will making the condition clear before with news are not public relation consultant offering the PR platform. In some cases, people who have already been interview will be decided whether the concept you should consider the objective, but whether you are material or not additional decision and must be based on whether in the public interest to publish the material. Agreement, so you should be open to agreement, be access the premise or talk the stuff, but must examine the agreement closely to ensure that their editorial control to do should compromise your editorial integrity. The same is true in documentary form. In all cases, the unacceptable conditions are imposed. You should withdraw from the project. You should never ask a contribution to expose themselves the health and safety risks. They must make clear the writing they make recognize accept any risk. Okay, and then this was the all about our